Are you looking for the best soap scum removers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best soap scum removers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bucco Soap Scum and Grime Cleaner. While many of our product recommendations are non-toxic, we have another one you can add to the pile. The Bucco Soap Scum and Grime Cleaner is a non-toxic and septic-safe liquid that is gentle on your surfaces but tough on your dirt. It contains no bleach, no strong acids, and no harsh chemicals. You can use it for heavy-duty jobs, or daily maintenance. It works without the need for any scrubbing, so you can leave the elbow grease in the past. It also leaves a streak-free finish on your surfaces, so you'll never know that there was any evidence of dirt at all. Although it's an eco-friendly formula, it's a commercial-strength product. It can dissolve tough soap scum and grime, leaving behind a sparkling shine. Use this to remove hard water stains from glass shower doors, acrylic tubs, chrome fixtures, tile, grout, sinks, and even wheel rims. Moving on at number 4. We have the Bring It On Cleaner. Dingy grout, soap scum, and water spots are the bane of shower walls. You may tackle all these at once with Bring It On. This whitening formula contains oxygen bleach, hydrogen peroxide, which removes stains from minerals like limestone, calcium, iron, and magnesium, and it's also kid-safe and non-toxic. Equally effective on shower walls and doors, Bring It On works on almost all bathroom surfaces, including fixtures, shower heads, drains, tile, countertops, and toilet bowls. It is especially good for tile and grout stains, since the oxygen bleach also works on mold and mildew. Bring It On has a fresh mint scent, leaving your bathroom looking and smelling better without much effort. At number 3, we have the Rejuvenate Scrub-Free Soap Scum Remover. Where tubs are concerned, you will likely want an easy spray-on solution to soap scum. Enter Rejuvenate. This non-toxic, non-abrasive formula is safe to use on glass, ceramic and porcelain, chrome, plastic, fiberglass, natural stone, and most other bathroom surfaces. No scrubbing is required. Simply spray on, let it work for a few minutes, then rinse off. For people with allergies or chemical sensitivities, Rejuvenate is fragrance-free, bleach-free, and acid-free. It is safe to use around kids. For a complete tub and shower stall refresh, you may want to use a sponge or non-scratch scrub pad along with Rejuvenate to lift deeper stains, soap scum, and mineral buildup that spraying alone won't dissolve. At number 2, we have the 7th Generation Professional Tub and Tile Cleaner. 7th Generation is known for its non-toxic household cleaners, and its professional-grade tub and tile formula is heavy-duty without being hard on your health or the planet. It is also septic-safe and contains 91% plant-based ingredients, certified by the USDA. You won't find any chlorine bleach, synthetic fragrances, dyes, or solvents in this product. Instead, it gently dissolves soap scum and hard water stains using citric acid, the same acid in limes and lemons. It leaves behind a botanical scent derived from 100% essential oils. Effective on most bathroom and kitchen surfaces, 7th Generation is safe to use on acrylic, ceramic, fiberglass, porcelain, satin nickel, and stainless steel finishes. This 2-pack should last a long time and will keep your bathroom clean and spotless. And finally at number 1. We have the CLR Calcium, Lime and Rust Remover. The best products in your cleaning arsenal are multi-purpose, non-toxic, and highly effective. All this can be said of CLR's classic soap scum and water stain remover. Using mild lactic and gluconic acids as its primary ingredients, CLR breaks down the mineral deposits that lead to unsightly buildup, like calcium, calcium carbonate, and iron. This fast-acting formula works equally well on soap scum, discoloration, and dirt. It is effective on multiple surfaces, including stainless steel, fiberglass, tubs, showers, tile, fixtures, toilets, and sinks. Safe to use around kids and pets. CLR is EPA certified and also receives a B rating from the Environmental Working Group, an independent testing body. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.